Can you make chashu pork in 30 minutes without an oven? Traditionally, chashu pork is roasted in an oven and it takes a few hours to prepare. Today, I take on the challenge of making the tastiest chashu in just 30 minutes. What will happen? Let's find out. Here we have some pork butt. Use the fork to pierce all over the pork butt. This helps the marinade to go in faster and speeds up the cooking process. One of the main challenges people face when making chashu pork is the long preparation time. Overnight marinating and slowly roasting in an oven. We're going to change all of that. In a bowl, combine the fermented red bean curd and the sauce of the fermented red bean curd, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, rice wine, honey, 5 spice powder, and white pepper. Add the pork butt to the mixture and mix well to coat. Marinate for about 5 minutes. Another challenge people face when making chashu is that the meat ends up really tough and dry in the oven. We are also going to change that. In a pan over medium heat, add the oil. Then add the pork inside. Cook until lightly brown on both sides for about 2 minutes. Add the garlic, the remaining of the marinade, and water. Cover the pan with a lid and braise for about 15 minutes until completely cooked through. Ensure the internal temperature of the pork is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Because we are braising the chashu in the liquid the whole time, that's why we can cut down the marinating time. And naturally, the chashu pork will turn out incredibly juicy. Uncover the lid, increase to high heat, and reduce the sauce for about 3 minutes. Continuously pour the sauce over the chashu during this time. This recipe is a game changer for anyone who loves chashu pork but doesn't have the time or the equipment to make it the traditional way. If you also like to learn how to make chashu pork the traditional way, check out the link right here. This is so juicy and tender, and guess what? Most people won't be able to tell that you didn't cook this in an oven. It is so good. There's so many different ways to cook pork. Please comment below and share with me what is your favorite way. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next episode. Please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. Bye!